Hey guys, someone please explain me this. How the world is this 22 here? It says 19. I open it. Now it's 22. Before it wasn't. Let's go back again. Refresh this page. Okay, it's still 22. So, okay, now suddenly here it's 24. Why is it so different? Now it's 25, 24, 24. You see? Real time, but it's lagging behind. Why is that? That's weird, right? Isn't it? Anyways, please let me know in the comments what you think the reason is for that. See you guys. Bye.